Hi students, our first project is going to be CO2 cars. What are CO2 cars? As you can see here, there are some pictures of CO2 cars. These are not one my students did. This is just a Google search of CO2 cars. And it is a car. It's powered by a CO2 cartridge. If you look in the back of this car here, you see that sticking out a little bit. And what that is it's a container that holds carbon dioxide, but it's packed in it really tight. And it's kind of like a balloon. If I take a balloon and fill it up and then I let go of it, the balloon kind of travels around. And so here the CO2 cartridge is holding that carbon dioxide is packed in really tight. And we have a device that will puncture the back of this cartridge. And when it does, all that CO2 rushes out very quickly, propelling your car forward. And so the cars go really fast. When we race them in the shop, they go the length of the shop in anywhere from a second to half a second. And so very fast when we race them two at a time. The goal of this project is to make the fastest car. It's a race. And but you have to follow the rules. That's the thing, is that it's easy to make something really fast, but do you follow the rules? And we have rules for reasons. We have rules for safety. We have rules for competition as well. And so you have to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you can't race, is a simple idea. And so there will be rules that you have to follow. I'm just going to go here. If we were doing this in class, we would draw our car out. And here's a video I did a while back of drawing a car out. And so here you can see the side view of the car. There goes where the axle is at and where the holes are at for the wheels to go. And then this is the top of the car. And so this is a top view and a side view. This line right in here is that hole that holds the CO2 cartridge. So you see it here and you see it here. And then the blue lines going across are just showing where the axles are at again. And so that's what we would be doing. Since we are not in that situation now, we're going to do a little bit different, and it's kind of exciting. It's something I have not used before. I've been trying it out, and it's called white box learning. And with this, we're going to be able to design a car, do some research, and design a car on this platform. And then after that, we'll be able to virtually race our cars. So that's pretty exciting to be able to do that since we can't be in the shop right now. So that's what a CO2 car is. Again, the whole objective is to have the fastest car, but you have to follow the rules. And we'll talk about those rules. I'll show you where the rules are at later.